Hello, this is Amy with Music Workshop, and this is a tutorial on how to use Google Classroom with Music Workshop. First, you will start by going to and logging into your account on our Music Workshop website. You'll then scroll down and see all the different courses that you can choose from. Select one of your choice. I'm choosing Voice. And you will be taken to a preview page. On this page, you can preview the course and you can see an outline of the contents of the course. At this point, you can go back and return to the course selections. If you hit select this course, you will have to go forward through the course to the materials page and fill out feedback on that course. The confirmation page has a list of all the things that are included with the course. And then you can choose Begin Course to go to the Materials page that has all the different downloads and files that you will need. As you can see at the top of the course, you have your choice of in-classroom materials that are right here, or distance learning materials that are down at the bottom of the page. On the distance learning materials, you will select to download a low resolution learning management system friendly version of the course of your choice, and you'll see that it starts to download. If it takes more than about a minute, you might have accidentally clicked one of these up here. The higher resolution videos take much longer. They're much larger files. Also included are the supplemental materials that go with this course, including for Google Classroom, a Google form that is a preload. It will ask you to copy it so it saves to your Google Drive. If you hit make a copy, it will take you to a preloaded quiz that you can include with your assignment. So we're back here and we see that our course has downloaded. So then you should go to your Google Classroom page. Under classwork, you will then select Create and an assignment. And then you will title your assignment and put any instructions that you have. To connect the video, you select Add, and then do not select link, file, or YouTube. Please choose Google Drive, and then Upload. And then you will browse and it should take you to your downloads manager, and the top one should be the one you just downloaded. So select that one and it will upload to your Google Drive and attach it to the assignment. This is the preferable way to share the video, as Google Drive is cloud-based and all the students will be able to access it. When the upload is complete, it will attach to your assignment and you will see it there to be included for your student. Here you'll see it attached to your assignment. You'll want to check the details on what you would like for your assignment, and you can attach any other Google Forms or PDFs of different activities to the assignment at this time. And when you're ready, click Assign. And there you have how to use Music Workshop in Google Classroom. Thank you and have a great day. And please call or email if you have any issues. We're here to help.